which is also symphony as well, but it's a different kind. And with studying music now, I got into composing, arranging, transposing, transcribing. Primarily, I got into Chet Atkins, Tommy Emmanuel, Andy McKee, Don Ross, Doc Watson, all the big boys, the heavy duty guys, all the heavy duty guys.
That velocity, that's that sound, that's that song. Put your thoughts together, you can't even articulate yourself up against nature. That's from a physics perspective. That's the physics of sound. That's the physics.
Yeah. Intensity determines the distance at which the acceleration of the sound propagates. So we have amplitude, we have frequency, we have velocity, we have acceleration, and we have momentum. So what is the disparity? What is the correlation?